thanks for coming back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Heather. Today's video will be a meal prep video. I will be meal prepping for week 2 of the Tone It Up Summer Tone Up. If you're interested in my weight loss journey, I do have 2 other playlists that I created on my channel. One is the Summer Tone Up playlist that's just dedicated to the Summer Tone Up, and I have another playlist that is all of my other weight loss videos. I basically check in every week. Sometimes I vlog what I eat. I weigh in, I'll let you guys know how I'm doing on my weight loss journey. So far, since the beginning of 2020, I have lost about 13 pounds, and I have lost about 20 pounds from my highest weight ever. I just started documenting the journey starting in January. So definitely check those out if you're interested. If not, just keep watching this video if you're just interested in the meal prep. I do try to get these out every week. I just started doing this recently, so hopefully I'll build up some more for you guys and have more content for you. As you guys know, I always wash my produce first thing. This week I'm using Trader Joe's Produce Wash. Now I'm using my salad spinner to get all the moisture off the lettuce leaves, which helps keep them fresh in the fridge all week. The salad spinner I'm using is several years old. I believe I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. I told you guys last week that I tried putting my cilantro in a mason jar, standing up in a bit of water. It didn't seem to help keep the cilantro fresh, so I'm back to just putting it back in its bag that it came in after washing it and drying it. Now I'm making the vanilla bean mini muffins. I'm not too happy with how they turned out. I'm not sure if it was my fault or what, but they came out really flat and I had to put them back in the oven. They were so runny that it seemed to need to sit in the oven a bit longer, but even though they may not have looked the prettiest, they still turned out yummy. Next up are the caramelized onion and zucchini egg muffins. There seemed to be a lot of the egg mixture and it made much more than I think the recipe called for. I may just use 5 eggs instead of 6 the next time I make this recipe.
Before
Next, I'm preparing ingredients for the Mezze Grain Bowl. I'm prepping the marinated beans so they're ready to just throw in when it comes time to have the bowl for a meal.
You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
A big tip I have for meal prep is to clean and put things away as you go. That way you aren't saving it for the end of meal prep when you may be tired and just want to relax.
are old and gray. We'll look back at this summer night. This summer night. This summer night. This summer night. This summer night.
Now I'm making pickled onions for the summer avo tacos I'll be making this week. I found this recipe just by searching on Google since the Tone It Up plan didn't have a recipe in their meal plan. I found this specific recipe on cookieandkate.com.
What happened to us? 'Cause wanna drive through the summer night, and when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. 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 Oh, this summer night.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning.
Now it's time to batch cook all the quinoa I'll need for the week.
I've slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
I wanted to brine the chicken breast since it's always hard to keep it moist when grilling it, and I wanted to avoid all the salt in traditional brine. I found a tip online to use Greek yogurt and a ton of spices, however, it didn't seem to do the trick for me. I may just have to stick to a traditional brine in the future. And that wraps up my meal prep for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And please subscribe and share this video with anyone you think might find it useful. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!